Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. Thanks for clicking to this video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you all how I made this delicious okra soup with just few ingredients. Guys, you won't believe how yummy this soup tastes. So if you want to see how I made this, please kindly keep watching, okay? So these are all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. Here I have my already chopped okra, then I have tomatoes and habanero pepper, and I also have my sliced pumpkin leaf, that's ugu leaf. Then I also have my palm oil, then I have my bala fish. I also have my mackerel, my dry mackerel fish. So I'm going to be using locust beans as well. I won't be using everything. I'm going to just divide it into two, then use half of it. Then here I have my salt and my seasoning cube. Then I also have my crayfish. This soup require enough crayfish, okay? So firstly, I'm going to blend my tomatoes and habanero pepper, then I'm going to set it aside. So into a clean pot, I will go in with some palm oil. I will let it hot for a little, then I'll go in with my blended tomatoes and habanero pepper. Then after adding it, I'm going to stir, then allow this to cook for a few minutes. So after some few minutes, we are going to stir this. Then I will go in with the seasoning cube and salt. Guys, we are not using any meat on this recipe. We are making use of just fish, that's bala fish and mackerel fish. So the next thing I did was to go in with some locust beans. Then I'm going to stir this together. And guys, our soup is already coming together. You can see how nicely and yummy is looking already. So the next thing, I added my bala fish and my dry mackerel fish. Then I went in with some crayfish and I added water. I'm going to stir this together, okay? And the water was not enough, so I added more water. Then I'm going to stir. Then I will cover this to cook for just 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, if today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, and please don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep commenting, okay? Thank you so much, guys. So guys, after some minutes, I went in with the chopped okra. Then I stirred everything together. Then I added water. So after adding the water, I'm going to stir very well so that everything will loosen up. So I'm going to cover this just to cook for 2 to 3 minutes because I don't want my okra to be overcooked. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to stir. Guys, look at that. Look how yummy this soup is looking already. So the next thing is to add in my ugu leaf. Then I'm going to stir, then allow it to cook for just extra 1 minute. And guys, our soup is ready. Look at that. Look how yummy this soup is looking, guys. You won't believe how yummy this soup tastes. It tastes so good, and I enjoy this with hot pounded yam. So what will you be eating this with? Is it pounded yam, eba, semo, amala? Or just let me know in the comment section what you will be enjoying this with. And if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like this video and also drop me a comment. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.